Are you looking for the best car escape tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car escape tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Ztylus Stinger Car Emergency Escape Toolkit, designed and patented in the US. The Ztylus Stinger Emergency Escape Toolkit features a spring-loaded glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and a pair of 2.4 amp USB chargers. When the tool is plugged into your car's cigarette lighter, the spring-loaded punch works quickly and easily. But like other escape tools, will only break tempered glass, unlike other escape tools that are likely tossed into a glove box or center console. This one also serves as a USB charger, so you'll likely always have it within reasonable reach in the case of an emergency. According to Ztylus, the Stinger seatbelt cutter has been tested on a 5,000 pounds towing strap, so it will easily cut away your seatbelt if necessary. The onboard dual USB ports offers high-speed charging, powered by an intelligent circuit design that protects against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrents, and overcharging. This tool is priced similarly to the competition, but you get the added benefit of having USB chargers. The product is available in black or white, as a single unit or 2-pack, and there is even an option for a USB-C charger. The company also offers a Stinger vent mount product, which serves as a phone holder, glass breaker, and seatbelt cutter. Up next in the 4th place is the ResQme Car Escape Tool. The most popular car escape tool available on Amazon comes from ResQme and is available in a variety of colors and quantities. You can purchase a single unit, 2-pack, or 3-pack at a very affordable price. Color options include black, blue, safety yellow, pink, orange, and red. This tool is extremely compact and fits on your keychain, so you always have it with you in your vehicle. This 2-in-1 tool features a seatbelt cutter and car window breaker, allowing you to cut a jammed seatbelt and break a side window in your car in the case of an emergency. This product was originally developed for first responders, like firefighters and EMTs, and has become an essential tool for safety-conscious drivers. It is constructed from ABS plastic and stainless steel and made in the US. Attached to your keychain, the tool comes with a detachable clip, allowing you to simply pull away in the case of an emergency. When pulled away from the clip, it will reveal the blade for the seatbelt cutter. To break a window, you simply press the black head of the tool against the corner of the glass and it will release the spring-loaded spike and shatter the glass. Keep in mind, this tool only works against tempered glass, which is commonly used inside windows. That means it won't work on your windshield, and you should check to make sure your side windows are made from tempered glass. The 3rd product on our list is the GOACC Emergency Escape Tool. The next product on our list is the GOACC Emergency Escape Tool, but you will likely find many items that are similar in design, style, and features. We included this one on our list because it is the highest rated version on Amazon, likely due to its price. Available in a 2-pack, this tool features a double-sided hammer head with hardened sharp stainless steel points and a sharp razor to cut off the seatbelt during emergencies. As a safeguard, the razor blade is recessed in the tool, so you won't accidentally cut yourself with it. It's a fairly compact tool, although not as small as the ResQme option. There's a soft rubber cover on the pointed steel head to help avoid any scratches to your vehicle, while the flat hammer head can be used to clear the broken glass. The top of the tool features a light guide strip, making it easier to find in the case of an emergency. You can also install a mounting base to keep the tool in a fixed location inside your vehicle. Like most other car escape tools, this will only break your side windows and won't work on your windshield. Finished in a deep orange color for easy visibility, this tool features a high-quality ABS plastic cover. Again, there are many products available similar to GOACC's offering, so if you like this style, you can choose the one that fits your price budget. Second on our list is the standard HandyBar Vehicle Emergency Escape Tool. This 3-in-1 product is a bit different than the rest because it also serves as an automotive safety cane tool for assistance getting in and out of a car. For normal, day-to-day use, it can attach to a car door latch for leverage, ideal for elderly, injured, or anyone who needs mobility assistance. It fits on any door latch and has a weight capacity of 350 pounds. Along with a no-slip ergonomic grip, just make sure that your vehicle has a door striker or latch with 2 bolts or screws attaching it to the door frame. The HandyBar may not work with your vehicle if it has a door striker bolt rather than a latch, if you do need it to serve as a car escape tool, however. The standard HandyBar can also serve as a window breaker and seatbelt cutter. It's a great all-in-one solution if you need a product that assists in getting you in and out of your car. Finally, the top product on our list is the Luxon 7-in-1 Emergency Toolkit. If you want to invest into a tool you'll find yourself using outside of emergencies. The Luxon 7-in-1 features a car safety hammer, seatbelt cutter, red indicating light, magnet, LED flashlight, USB charger, and hand cranking charging system for emergencies, along with having your standard window breaker and sharp razor blade to cut seatbelts. The LED light could come in handy as a flashlight in the dark. The built-in USB charger is mostly designed for emergency situations. But this tool does have a built-in 2600 mAh battery. The emergency light has 3 modes: high, low, and strobe. You can also use it as a warning light if you happen to stop your car on the side of the road. With a built-in magnet, this tool can be placed on the hood of your car to serve as an SOS beacon. The company says its lamp life is approximately 50,000 hours depending on usage. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.